A US woman lost her life and four other passengers injured when a massive wave struck the Viking Polaris cruise ship while it was sailing towards the port of Ushuaia in southern Argentina on an Antarctic cruise, authorities have said. The 62-year-old woman was hit by broken glass when the wave broke cabin window late Tuesday during a storm, Argentinian authorities said in a statement. The ship offered limited damage and arrived in Ushuaia, 1,926 miles south of Buenos Aires the next day. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.